I've been humming Christmas songs all day. What is this? What is this? A bunch of clothes and stuff. See, I don't like running up on stuff like this. Most definitely do not like that. What is this? Oh, a tent. A dilapidated tent. I think I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna show you something when I get up here that's pretty cool. I mean, I did a video on it before, but it's even better now. See, guys? There it is. That's the plank that was way up there that they used to cross on. But I like this moss over here. Or not moss, but fern that's growing. It's really pretty. Very, very pretty.